Hi friends, this is Salome from Artibits. Today's video is all about pencil shading and rendering. So here I will be guiding you all on the few basic techniques of pencil shading. This video is going to be very interesting, so stay tuned till the end. So to begin a portrait in pencil shading, the first thing is that a pencil like this should not be used. We use a normal 2B pencil to start off with. Now, do not sharpen the pencil with a sharpener. Always sharpen the pencil with a cutter like this, so that you get a little thicker point which helps in the shading. So to begin with, firstly I'm going to take a measurement here, like approx. And one more thing is that the drawing should be very light, very light. This is roughly the measurement of the head. Now every head is divided into 3 parts. So that is this. Now this is going to be the part of the forehead to the eyebrows. This is going to be till the eyebrows, till the nose, and this is going to be the chin area. So approximately our head is going to be in this area. I would draw an oval around it. Now this is the basic guideline for us to draw the main face for the portrait. Between this there will be another line, and since I'm going to draw a center head, there's going to be a center line like this which divides the face into 2 equal halves. So these are basically the guidelines which need to be very light, very light. Now there are a few proportions which we need to maintain, or which we need to keep in mind while drawing a portrait. That is, like, the distance between 2 eyes is as good as 1 eye. So for an example, if I'm going to place my 1 eye here, I'll be taking a measurement like this. I would place it out here. This is the measurement of my eye. My second eye would start from here approximately till here. This is the tip of my nose. The lip is going to be again in the center of the chin. Now for the lip, the end of the lip is going to be somewhere in the center of the eyeball. Now I will slowly start working on my eye. Now for the eye, the iris is going to be the darkest out here, right in the center. There's a highlight somewhere around this area, which is going to be like stark white. And then the top of the eyeball. gradually darken the top area a little, work on the edges a little, and keep the highlight completely white, paper white. Now I am going to make my eyelid a little dark at the center. Leave a little gap and draw another line out here below and there comes your lower eyelashes. They're just very delicate and very tiny. That's the eyelid. The upper eyelashes are going to go with outer curls like that. They're going to be a bit longer. Always go from down to up. That'll give you the pointy look. Now when you're going for the eyebrows, first fill in the base tone. Just maintain the direction. And then give the hair look, the fine hair, just a little darker shade here. Here comes your the nose, little curve, a straight line, just a little towards the edge. Just a gentle V. Now the ear and the eye, they go in this area. The ears, they need to go within this area. I'm just going to add a few fringes. I'm going to make a braid. So here I am taking a double E pencil just to give a little rendering. So the details of all these pencils which are specifically used for the pencil shading work, I'll mention them in the description below. You all can check there. You get them very easily available in the market. So I'm just leaving a little highlight here and just working on a few strands. This is not a very detailed pencil sketch. It's called sketching, rough sketching, which needs to be done like quite quickly. So that's about it, guys. This was a tutorial on a basic simple pencil shading sketch, the very basic one with minimal work to be done. And if you like videos on pencil shading, you can write in the comment section below and I'll try to put up more videos for pencil work. And if you still have any doubts and queries, please do write in the comment section below and we'll connect. Thank you. Bye-bye.